Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide the tutorial on how to enable double click on Realme C67 device. Some users enjoy the ability to customize their device gestures and actions. Enabling double click allows them to assign specific functions or shortcuts to the double click gestures based on their preferences and needs. Okay, and then let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, you have to go to the settings menu. Okay, and then here you can select the display option. Well, after that, press on lock screen menu here, and then you can activate the double tap to lock option. Okay, and then for your information, that this feature just works when you want to lock your device screen, and it can't work to turning on the screen. Well, that's the tutorial on how to enable double click feature on Realme C67 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.